Guys, tonight we are in the Rocky Mountains, and this is an area known for Bigfoot sightings, and we thought we'd come out here tonight and check it out and see if we can find Bigfoot. So follow us. Okay guys, I've also got the still one, Josh from Southern Afterlife, and our boy Tim from Breaking the Shell. It's kind of scary. Isn't there like really big cats in here?
Yes. Yeah, there's big cats up here.
Yeah.
We have not land.
Gosh, I mean, I saw a cougar in Tennessee, but I hear the mountain lions here are much bigger. We got kind of a path here we're following. I hope it's not a Bigfoot path. Or, well, actually, I hope it is. Wow, these are spooky.
Sorry, I'm whispering because we don't speak anything. This is eerie, bro.
Should we go this way or this way? I don't know which.
Let's go this way.
Yeah, this looks creepier. Man, these are beautiful mountains, but scary looking at night.
Very scary.
Oh no, it looks real similar to Tennessee, but it's different at the same time.
Like the air's not clean too.
Yeah, I think.
Different type of beauty.
Yeah.
Tennessee is I think it's really beautiful. It's just different.
This is like a dry Tennessee. Like you go in the woods in Tennessee, everything's really wet. Like ground's damp and moist, and here it's real dry. Which I guess y'all have had a drought, huh?
Yeah, we always have one. We're just a dry state.
What's wrong? You weren't recording? Where'd Tim go? Oh, he's way back here. Tim, stick with us, bro. This is a dangerous area. Guys, we're just gonna walk around here. See if anything happens. Yeah, I noticed that. Huh? Yeah, I saw that. It's crazy, dude. Oh, it didn't. Something or someone's put it here. Think we should follow it? I'm kind of walk parallel over here with it. We don't want to just look at other people's butts. Yeah. It's just stick line path. Is that something Bigfoots do? Do you know, Tim?
I've never heard of that.
I hadn't ever heard of like.
I've never even heard of anybody saying anything like this.
Oh, dude, did you hear that? They come from back this way. I don't know. So it's still, maybe he'll do it again. Yeah, it did. Listen, no wildlife sounds, nothing.
Let's keep moving.
Oh, the trail goes that way. Looks like another one over here. There's a little hole here in the ground. Dude, this is nuts.
I've never seen anything like this before.
I'm sorry, my camera is pointed out. Look at all this. Yeah, it splits. It goes that way and this one goes this way. You think somebody a long time ago made this or something? Or guys,
You're out there.
you Bigfoot experts, let me know if this is something that you've seen. This is weird. In the thin air up here, it's hard to breathe. What was that? That was loud. Sounded like something crashing in the woods over there. God, this is eerie. Is that something standing down there? Oh, it's a tree. I feel stupid for being here, honestly. This is what we do. You hear how dry the ground is, guys? That's us walking.
Look at this tree out there.
Yeah. That's weird. Nothing else is bending like that. Like that one's has been ripped off at halfway, part of the way up.
Right.
Maybe something was. There's a bunch of them knocked over in a row, like something knocked them over.
Yeah.
Is you still on a trail over there? Oh!
What?
Did you hear that wood knocking? No. You didn't hear that? Dude, I heard it plain as day. It come from right back here. It sounded like you was hitting two befores together. I can't believe you two didn't hear that. Well, my trail keeps going this way, towards Ridge. Dude, that was distinct.
I didn't hear it either.
You didn't? Huh.
Maybe our audio caught it. Yeah, I'll listen back. You should have put your headphones on right now.
Unless I'm hearing things, guys, I could have swore y'all making me question my sanity.
That's alright, if you guys weren't here, I wouldn't even know which direction to go back. Guys, looks like 2 months here.
Oh, wow. Yeah,
Like, do they gnaw on trees?
I don't know. See, the thing is, I mean, I can tell woodpeckers have been at this one too.
But they don't do that.
No.
Looks like someone took a bite out of it. Like right here, there's teeth marks.
Like we invite comments from professional Bigfoot, and if you know, we'd even love to come out with you at one point. because I want to learn more about what their habits.
Yeah, I rarely do Bigfoot stuff.
Yeah, I rarely do too. I know like what I heard knocking, we've heard them screaming at us before. Okay guys, we are still following this weird handmade path lined with logs, but look at this down here. This is definitely done by someone or something. Look how these logs are stacked around this tree. It's like an attempt, or maybe to keep the wind off.
Looks like something's been
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. It looks like something's been stirring around in it.
right. Like a massive nest. Right.
It does kind of look nesty.
This is not going to happen in nature.
No, this is definitely stacked. And yeah, if you look, they've just been like the ends here, they've just been like ripped out of the ground or broken down. They've not been cut. So I'm starting to think not human. This is crazy. Well, this is cool though. I say we get back on the path. Well, there's another path over here.
No.
Yeah, there it is right there. Oh, see, I don't know what to do. Do we go this way?
Are they known for making paths?
I don't know. I've never heard of that.
I've never heard of it. I've never heard of it anywhere.
Ooh, what is this? Is that sap?
It's some kind of snot.
It looks like snot.
You got slime.
That's not. Yeah, I've seen pine tree sap. I don't remember it. It's dark, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know. Guys, let me know. Like, see, that looks like sap down here.
Right, but what's them goobers hanging off that thing? They're see-through.
Yeah, it's clear. Transparent.
Could be sap.
I've
I've never seen clear sap.
No, it's definitely an us. Well, maybe a botanist or something can let us know.
That's sap, but what is that?
Botanist out there that watches my channel.
Yeah,
Bigfoot snot.
it could be Bigfoot snot for sure. This is weird. Let's walk the path some more and see what else we find. It makes weird little twists and bends too. Like it's not direct. You guys see how it just kind of loops around that tree? Goes up and around. Dang. Dude, I thought I saw something standing up here. I'm not. I don't see it now. It's like it ducked out of the way. Why is my light doing that? It looks like something standing behind that tree, honestly. I don't see it no more. Let's move on. Guys? Shh, shh. I heard something. It's an animal. Yeah.
What did you guys hear? We were changing our battery.
Yeah. It's weird how some of these trees are just bent. Like I'm trying to pull them out of the ground. But the trail splits again. is creepy. It's so creepy. Keep your eyes open for more weird structures too. This is a weird clearing.
Dude, I swear it looked like something was on the trail behind us sitting there watching us.
Really?
Seeing eyes on it.
Seriously?
Yeah. I mean, it was about this tall. Just looked like it was sitting there just staring intensely.
Did you get it on camera?
Yeah.
Good. Guys, check out Tim's video.
This trail is just crazy.
I don't understand it, dude. Like, what?
It sounded like a knock. It came from the edge.
Really? You heard it too, Rich?
Yeah.
I was walking, so I think my feet. If y'all heard it on camera, let me know. Hear a jet flying over. That's a tree shaking. That sounded like it come from over here. That was weird. Did you hear that?
Totally.
That come from up here, dude.
Yeah.
Let's follow it, guys. Holy cow. Yep, that's definitely up here. That's definitely coming. That's back towards the freaking house thing, or the little structure. Look, here's another trail. That come from a different. We didn't walk this one, did we?
No, I don't think so.
Let's just keep moving. Dude, I see something. Shh. Weird. Okay. I'll keep going. Another what?
Another nest.
Oh. Or is this the same one?
I don't see yellow on that tree.
No, I don't. I don't see. Dude, that come from right up here. That was not far from us. Let's freaking just move a little bit further over here. And we'll stop here in a second and just listen. I thought I saw something up here. See this bent tree? This weird curved tree up here? I thought I saw something standing behind it. Just a second ago. And it looks like another path over there. Dude, this is a weird clearing over here. I don't know. Oh. That's from over here, dude. Holy shit. I can't either. Let's just turn our lights out for a second and see if we can figure it out. I don't either, dude.
Yeah. Dude, this is. Dude, check this out. It's hollow.
It's hollow.
Dude, there's a hollow echo. Be careful.
Oh, dude, I hear that.
Listen. That's hollow.
Dude. Is that something there? Is that a lid? That's a piece of wood, dude.
We found some buried.
We might have. Yeah, dude.
Look at that.
Dude, keep uncovering that.
Find me a pretty decent strong
Don't
stick.
don't stand on it.
See if we can punch through it. Yeah, that's wood. What the heck? That's just wood chunks coming up. Yeah, but it's so soft.
Dude, something's buried there.
That's hollow.
It's that whole area.
Whoa.
Dude, you found something.
It looks like it opens up under it.
It does. You can't just grab it and pull up on it?
I'm afraid to stick my hand in it.
Dude, this could be treasure or anything, dude. What have we found? Let's get something heavy enough to like lift up on it, guys. Let's find something. You alright, Tim?
Yeah. It just shocked me.
Okay, dude, we have to open this up.
We have to.
There's no, guys, we're gonna find something, dig us up, and then we're gonna get back to it.
Cut video.
Alright, guys, we're gonna go look, see how strong these sticks are.
Yeah, I think I got a good one.
Do what?
I think I got a good one.
Oh, you do? Ah, cool. Oh my god, dude.
Dude, we gotta go.
Dude. Uh-huh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We come from this. Yeah, we did. Just follow the trail, man. Hopefully. Dude, that was so close. It was like over in that clearing, dude. I swear to God it was. Oh.
I never heard anything like that before, ever. Dude, I'm just tripping.
I'm looking for it, dude. Yeah, it's got to be standing over here somewhere. Oh, what's that? Okay, I don't see it. I swear I saw some over there. Okay, whatever it is, don't want us in here. We need to go. Oh. God, the air's so thin here. It's hard to breathe. We're walking uphill. Oh. I wish I could see it on camera. Oh. Okay. I remember this part, guys. We'll get on out of here. Oh. Okay, guys. A lot of breath. Take a hike out there. I mean, pretty compelling evidence if you ask me. Kind of anxious to get in the car and get out of here, but I think we've made it out okay. And we're gonna go. Sorry, that's straight uphill we had to come out of there. But thank y'all for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I have more stuff on memberships and Patreon, so go check that out. And for now, y'all have a good one.